Yeah, Haley likes Oreos. So she's gonna eat one. Guess what I'm gonna make? Grilled cheese. And Haley here is gonna help me record the process.
I'm learning.
Kid show. Okay.
Little kid show.
You need a pan like this or smaller?
Like SpongeBob on Krabby Patty.
Then
Guitar. Don't drop it on the floor. I probably just drink her.
what you're gonna do is turn this on. Whatever you want. It can be low, medium, high, or high. But I'm putting on high because I like to be high. Turn the pan. You can do it this way like I do, or you can, I don't care how you do it.
Melt it first and then put it in the
But this is the Victoria way of doing it.
The Victoria way. Victorian.
Oh, I forgot cheese. We're gonna have some grilled bread tonight, folks.
What? Drop the camera. What, do that?
See? Now we're gonna put this piece of bread on top of it. Then we're gonna place it in here. In the pan with the butter.
Soon it'll sizzle, then you know it's cooking.
If you're like me. You're very impatient.
Just ask the butter man.
Butter makes everything better. Butter makes everything butter.
Oh, I get that. Okay. Butter. Oh, I get it. Okay. It took me a minute.
That's what time it is in the morning. Now,
AM people.
whatever is possessing me because grilled cheese at 222 make a wish. I know what I wish for. Do you? Oh, tell me.
I'm not.
Yeah.
I'm carrying a dirty secret. No, just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Anyway.
I wish. Just
Eyes
kidding.
up. Anyways. When you're making it. What am I saying?
You're making a grilled cheese. You're doing great.
What am I talking about?
Battery dying, but it's okay.
Battery dying.
No, I'm just kidding.
So that's me making a grilled cheese sandwich at 2:22 in the morning. You need to stop. I can't handle it. Anyway, get over here. Look at it cooking.
I got an Oreo.
Smoke running out. Doesn't that look delicious?
I'm rising.
I'm sorry to not be able to breathe.
Means it's
so
burning.
That means it's time to cook it over. It's probably burning, yes.
It's burned! Oh, that's me.
Uh-oh.
This is what not to do, people. At 2:24 in the morning.
Stop it.
Cameraman has to leave now.
You're gonna need a gas mask if you cook like me.
Cameraman abandoned you with an Oreo.
You're so mean to me. Anyways, here's my grilled cheese burning. Uh-oh, my butter.
Oh.
Why does it smell? I'm pretty sure it's going to set off a fire alarm. So I'm going to go ahead and now. I'm going to... What is that? Oh, hot, hot.
Don't worry, I have smelly goods today.
If you knew. So bad. I I'm not a good cook.
Spray it back.
Get over here so the fire alarm won't go off. No! Because I can't breathe. Look at me. I gotta go pee.
Doesn't it smell good in here now?
Anyways.
Yum. My favorite body spray. What?
This is how you make grilled cheese with...
Just try unburning it.
Okay.
Oh, it smells good in here now. It smells like tropical.
This is how you make grilled cheese like...
Battery's now dying.